find the LCM of y squared minus 9, y squared plus 10y plus 21, and y squared plus 4y minus 21. To find the LCM of these three expressions, we need to factor each expression. So let's start with y squared minus 9. That's the difference of two squares. It factors as y plus 3 times y minus 3. Let's factor this trinomial, y squared plus 10y plus 21. That's equal to y plus 3 times y plus 7. And let's factor the third and final trinomial, y squared plus 4y minus 21. And that factors as y minus 3 times y plus 7. So now to create the LCM, we can start with this particular expression, y plus 3 times y minus 3, and then look to see what other factors are missing. So we move to the next expression. We have the y plus 3. We need the y plus 7. Moving to the third expression, we have the y minus 3. We have the y plus 7. So our LCM is the product of y plus 3 times y minus 3 times y plus 7.